your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad with your Indian consumer, and in this video we are comparing the sound quality of the Zoook Rocker 2 with the JBL Charge side by side. So let's do it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So now after hearing the speakers side by side, I feel the decision will be really easy for you. The JBL produces really amazing sound. There is simply no comparison to the 10-watt sound output which JBL produces. But if your budget is low and if you're looking for a decent package altogether, I feel the Zoook Rocker 2 is an amazing product to go for. Where to check out their individual short unboxing and review videos, you can simply click on either of the speakers and it will redirect you to their individual videos. And if you want to purchase any of these in the best possible deal, you will find links below in the description. Well, for now, this was Prasad with your Indian consumer, signing off. And I'll see you in the next one.